Welcome back to the Pit Stop Traveler. If you are not a subscriber yet, please do not forget to subscribe. Today, I'll be showing you making of Paripu Rasam. The method of preparation of this rasam is really unique. We'll be blanching 2 tomatoes on hot dal soup. Stay tuned till the end of this video to see how this Paripu Rasam is made. I would like to invite all of you to my kitchen. Remember we had cooked dal for preparation of Ulli Sambar? We make use of the same dal stock for preparation of this awesome Paripu Rasam. There must be about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooked dal in this liquid. In this, we put 2 tomatoes for blanching. Remember, this dal soup is very hot. Well, while these tomatoes get blanched, let's pour some tamarind pulp in a vessel. We have made pulp from half medium lemon-sized tamarind. Now we take these blanched tomatoes and squeeze it in this tamarind liquid. Be careful as the tomatoes would be really hot. Continue watching this video till end to see the preparation of Paripu Rasam. You can even make use of a spoon to help you with this process. I transferred the dal stock into another vessel. Now keep the pan in the burner, and once the pan is hot, we'll pour the tamarind liquid containing the tomatoes into it. We will allow tomatoes to get cooked properly in the tamarind pulp. After 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, we'll pour this liquid into the paripu or dal or lentils. In goes the content. Mix it well. Now it's tempering time. As the pan gets hot, we'll add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. As the oil gets hot, we'll add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. Now we add about 4 to 6 garlic cloves. Roast it slightly. Time to add about 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. In goes some curry leaves. Stir it well. Now it's time to add rasam powder and chili powder. Keep mixing it well. You don't want the powder to get burnt. Now we pour the dal stock containing tamarind pulp and tomatoes into this pan. Give it a good mix. Time to add some salt. I have made use of 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and we'll garnish it with coriander leaves. At this point, you can't miss the awesome aroma that is coming from this Paripu Rasam. Look at this Paripu Rasam, isn't it tempting? Let's have a closer look. Wow, look at this. Amazing. The aroma that is coming from this Paripu Rasam is making me feel hungry. Let's transfer this content into another vessel. Our Paripu Rasam is ready.